In this segment of the Word tutorial, we're going to learn how to insert a cover page in a document. So here we have a document that we have added a bunch of stuff to it, and now we want to insert what's called a cover page. You can click here on the Insert tab, click on Cover Page, and then choose from one of those templates. Note that there are additional templates that you can download from office.com and embed them in the document as well. And let's say I'll pick this one. And then you give it a document title. Fix the font how you want it. Add additional properties if necessary, or delete areas or components that you may not want. Notice that it's smart enough to insert the cover page at the top of the document for you automatically. Now from here you could add a different image if you'd prefer and change this and modify this as needed.